is Eddie, and I want to give you a prime example of what a mouse or something can do to your wire harnesses. Right there is a chewed wire, okay? That's on the injector rail. Over here, you got two more wires that are chewed through all this insulation over here. I don't know what it is about wires, but mice and rodents love these things, and I think it's because they're made out of, the coating is a soy coating. But look at the hood, you know, the hood insulation is all chewed up, and I mean, this guy went to town here. He didn't get any of the hose up here, but that's the least of our problems. It's this injector wire harness that is our problem, because now we have to change out the wire harness in the engine. So just thought I'd give you a close-up view of what's going on here with rodents and mice and squirrels and chipmunks, and for whatever reason they just love chewing on this stuff. Alright, so you get this wire harness here all chewed up, air cleaner housing full of debris. This little guy never made it, got trapped in the belt there. This guy chewed up the air cleaner housing. Another nest right on top of the battery, got a little different angle right here, same nest. Fuel rail again, chewed wires. Air cleaner box full of debris. These things are crazy. They get everywhere. This is a rear quarter. He built a nest back there, stole the insulation right out of the rear quarter panel, built a nest, tore the insulation off the hood on this one. Another wire harness on the fuel injectors. Leaves and debris inside the air cleaner housing. This guy got stuck in the air cleaner housing, died in there. Poor little guy. Under the hood again, chewed insulation, chewed hoses. This customer set traps in his trunk to catch the little bastard. This is the top of a fuel tank where they built a nest right there, and then they chewed some wires as well. This ABS sensors and stuff, and whoever built this was huge. So you got any questions or comments, leave them in the box below, and I'd be happy to answer them for you. Thanks.